Hi friends! Welcome back to another fun math adventure. In the last video, we learned how to solve puzzles to find unknowns. Today, we have a brand new challenge to solve. Are you ready? Here's today's puzzle. We know that one square weighs 30. And when we add two spheres to the square, the total weight becomes 60. So, the question is, how much does each sphere weigh? Let's figure it out step by step. We already know the square weighs 30, so let's subtract that weight from the total. 60 minus 30 equals 30. This means that the two spheres together weigh 30. Now, if two spheres weigh 30, we can find the weight of one sphere by dividing 30 by 2. And there you have it. Each sphere weighs 15. Isn't that awesome? Solving math puzzles step by step makes it super easy. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing these fun math problems and you'll become a math wizard in no time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more exciting math adventures. See you next time!